Hey guys, this is my first video on bumping uglies and I'm the CNFT girl. So minting was pretty rough and I believe that was the reason the floor dropped so much because people felt that the project is kinda sketchy or felt like the minting was pretty unfair. Well, but shit happens, so let's just move on. So major progress has been made to this project and I feel that it is one of the most underrated projects in terms of the mechanisms they have already created, like the bumping app. Super sad that not many of the CNFTs enthusiasts have jumped in yet. So let's stop talking and I'll just get right into it. Alright, so let's go to uglyninja.com and right here you see the uglies I own in my wallet, and here I have a special sale Elton John lookalike, and here the amount of ADA I've earned from people bumping with mine. And if you click on this, you're able to change your bio and set the amount of ADA you like people to pay you for a bump. And next to Sir Elton John is this sexy girl ugly that I've just used to bump with a rare ugly. And look, she's pregnant now. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna bump. Okay, first I'll deposit some ADA, then now I'll go on to search for a trade I hope to get. Alright, here you go. Okay, so let's bump. And there we go. So yes, you won't be able to see the trade on your ugly right away, but around March, your ugly will be burnt and you'll receive a baby ugly called a Thought. Apart from that, there will be a play to earn game produced. So what happens is that you will act like a nanny to do chores to grow your baby, and people can pay you to do their chores. So to make it easier for you to imagine, this game would be kind of like Animal Crossing where you complete chores. Well, that's all for today, so be sure to head down to cnft.io or jpg.store to buy your uglies before the floor moves. I've left the Discord link to Bumping Uglies Discord channel below, so be sure to check it out, and if you have any more questions, be sure to ask, there are people there. Yes, and I hope you like this video and remember to subscribe.